Hi boys and girls, Miss Durr here. Are you ready to begin our bean experiment? Yeah, me too. But before we begin, I want you to think about two questions. What do plants need to grow? And how do you know? Our bean experiment is going to help us to answer those questions. But here's a review to remind us of the things we've already learned. A plant is a living thing. Plants have many needs. A plant cannot live without sunlight, water, soil, and space. Okay, boys and girls, now it's time to start our bean experiment. Do you have all your materials? First, I'm going to take my plastic bag. I got a half-size plastic bag. It doesn't have to be a really big one, but if you don't have the half size, just get the regular size sandwich bags. They work too. You could actually cut them in half if you like. Then I'm going to take my beans. I'm going to use 3 beans. 1, 2, 3, and put them down inside the plastic bag. Next, I'm going to take my cotton ball and drop it down and dip it down in the water. Then the cotton ball will be really soaking wet, so we won't be making a spilly mess. And then I'm going to put the cotton ball down next to my beans, and then I'll seal my beans and my cotton ball inside the bag. I'm not going to seal it all the way because what do plants need to grow? So we're not going to seal it all the way off. We're going to let a little air get inside. Now the next thing I need to do, one last thing, I have to find somewhere to tape it. So I am going to take my bean and my cotton ball, my bag, and I am going to tape it to a window. Now the window that I need to tape it to has to have very good sunlight. So I have a window already in mind. So let's go and hang it up. Okay, boys and girls, here's the window that I've chosen. I've chosen this window in my house because it gets very good direct sunlight in the evening time. It looks really bright now, but wow, you'd have to close your eyes in order to look out this window or try to see out this window in the evening time. It gets very direct sunlight. So here's why I want to put this, because what is one of the things that plants need to grow? That's right. Now I'm going to come back periodically and I am going to check on that plant. Hi boys and girls, I've actually made up 2 bags. This is my second bag because I want to compare how the 2 of them do, because this window that I am going to apply this bag to does not get direct sunlight, and I wanted to see what happens to my beans that get direct sunlight and the beans that do not. So I'm going to check back every day to see if they grow or not. And I want you to do the same thing. All right, find a good window and a good spot in your house to attach your bags. And then let's talk about it next week. See ya.